Hi, this video is going to show you what you need to do if your wand is broken for some reason. We have a 1-year warranty on all the products. Make sure that you're going to include all of this information. You're going to have your full name, your username. You're going to have a picture of the broken wand that you're going to be sending to the stockist. If it's something like the power isn't working, you want to include a video as well. And when you do these pictures or video numbers, you're also going to want to include the SN number, which you can see right here on the box. But there's also an SN number on your unit. So you want to make sure that you're recording that as well. And remember that it is guaranteed for everything except for droppage. If you drop the crystal inside and it breaks, then that is not covered by the warranty. So you want to have the SN number, the serial number, the stockist, and you want a copy of the delivery order as well. That will be found in your back office. If you go to Navigate and Product Order Report, you should be able to click on a small green box and you'll be able to find your DO number. So you get all this information, you send it back to the sponsor that put you in the system, and they'll get in contact with the stockist, or you can contact the stockist directly as well. It's right on your product order report. It says where it was ordered from. So you can use all that information to get the information to the stockist. And then what you're going to do, if it's broken in the middle like this, it will still work. As long as the crystal's intact, you're good. You can go ahead and get electrical tape or heating and air conditioning aluminum tape, and you can tape this up and use it until your replacement has arrived. And what happens is a stockist will put this into corporate, and then they will be sent replacement parts, and then they'll go ahead and ship that out when it comes. But it may not be immediate that you'll get a replacement part. So anyway, I hope this helps. Thanks.